Welcome to this tutorial on Vrbo and the use of cameras in their properties. Vrbo is a popular online marketplace that allows homeowners to rent out their properties to travelers. As a guest or a host, it is essential to understand the policies and guidelines regarding camera usage in Vrbo properties. Firstly, Vrbo does not install or require cameras in any of their properties. However, some hosts may choose to install cameras for security or monitoring purposes. If a host decides to install cameras, they are required to disclose this information to their guests prior to booking. It is crucial to note that Vrbo has strict policies regarding camera placement and usage. Cameras are not allowed in private areas such as bedrooms or bathrooms, and they must not be used to record or monitor guests in a way that invades their privacy. Hosts who fail to comply with these policies may face penalties or even removal from the platform. As a guest, it is essential to review the property description and house rules before booking a property. If you have concerns about camera usage, you can contact the host directly to ask about their camera policies. You can also check the property's reviews to see if other guests have mentioned anything about cameras. In addition to Vrbo's policies, hosts must also comply with local laws and regulations regarding camera usage. This includes obtaining any necessary permits or following specific guidelines for camera placement and usage. To ensure a safe and comfortable stay, Vrbo recommends that hosts be transparent about their camera policies and provide clear guidelines for guests. As a host, it is your responsibility to respect your guests' privacy and ensure that your camera usage complies with Vrbo's policies and local laws. In conclusion, while Vrbo does not require cameras in their properties, some hosts may choose to install them for security or monitoring purposes. It is essential for both hosts and guests to understand Vrbo's policies and guidelines regarding camera usage to ensure a safe and comfortable stay. By being aware of these policies and taking necessary precautions, you can have a positive and enjoyable experience with Vrbo.